We are doing our mukbang at the same time it's to nourish the body, not just to eat the
Railway station dream, and I want you to be my queen. Every time that I was here, I thought that you were somewhere near, but now I know that it's not right. So pack the things and leave behind the mess you did last summer night. Let's go to a place where comes the light. You'll be my sun and frosty days. A train will carry to right place. Railway station dream, and I want you to be my queen. To be my queen. Fire and kisses on your neck, so you just need to make a stop, to take my hand and get on train. When dreams come true, so won't you stay? There's moon and sounds of my guitar, and all my problems are so far away from me, and I don't care. I see the station over there. Railway station dream, and I want you to be my queen. Let's sing as loud as we can. Railway dreamers have no end. They have no end. La 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 Fire and kisses on your neck, so you just need to make a step, to take my hand and get on train. But dreams come true, so won't you stay? Railway station dream, and I want you to be my queen. Let's sing as loud as we can. Railway dreamers have no end. They have no
The main landing gear assemblies collapsed, and the left landing gear was completely ripped off the plane. The left wing was severely damaged during the crash, but the crew, including the two captains, made it out unhurt. The Indonesian National Transportation Safety Committee opened an investigation into the accident, and unfortunately for the captain, the entire event was recorded on a video camera, which meant there was only one person to blame that day for obliterating the plane and its cargo: the captain. Just a few days before that plane crash, but the drastic effects of these storms were never captured on camera until now. If you're looking for the grossest water slide of your life, look no further. A resident of a nearby building was able to record a mudslide shooting through the windows of an apartment across the street. The dark brown waterfall created even more damage to the already wrecked city. Water built up from the storm and broke apart an expressway.
And we're almost finished with our
Residents of Chongqing were able to capture not only the crazy mudslide on camera, but photographed water 3 feet high that covered the streets. Over 2,000 people fled to emergency shelters due to the flooding, and many houses were destroyed by the storm. The wreckage was unbelievable, and the photographs and videos proved how destructive it really was.
Hope you love my
Natural
vlog of
disasters are one
mukbang
of the
fruits,
scariest
avocado
things you can
health,
experience,
grapes
and it is
healthy.
nearly
Have a nice
impossible to
day.
capture video evidence of them safely. In June of 2020, citizens of Mexico recorded the destruction that came from a 7.4 magnitude earthquake. The footage looks like something from a movie. A video of citizens running for their lives as a power line swayed back and forth was put on YouTube.
Have a
But
good
it was
day.
not even
God
close to the
bless you.
craziest
Take
thing that the
care.
residents captured. Buildings were cracked in half, and ceiling tiles in grocery stores